Even the finest vehicles face issues, and McLarens are no exception. Join us as we look at a common problem McLarens have with their oil filter housing and how to identify it on Cannonball's McLaren 101. High heat and pressure can cause cracks in your vehicle's oil filter housing, risking engine damage or worse. Due to where the oil filter housing is situated on McLaren engines, there tends to be a lot of heat from the engine, especially during spirited driving. If this situation is occurring with your McLaren, you might experience an oil burning smell, you might see smoke, or you may be noticing that you need to top off your oil more often than normal. If you experience any of these conditions, stop your vehicle immediately and contact Cannonball. This also presents a fire risk due to oil pooling up in an area of the engine bay that is susceptible to extreme heat. At Cannonball Garage, our team of highly qualified technicians expertly diagnose and resolve these issues. From fixing leaks and replacing cracked oil filter housings to cleaning up oil pooling in the valley of your engine, we ensure that your McLaren is mechanically sound and performing at its maximum levels. Trust Cannonball Garage for expert McLaren care. Contact or visit us today where we have oil filter housings in stock and are ready to keep your McLaren in peak driving condition.